Welcome to day 19 of your Mindful Meowers journey. Today, we explore a core aspect of mindfulness, accepting change with grace. If you've ever moved homes, rearranged furniture, or even brought in a new pet, you've likely seen a cat's process of adjusting. At first, they may hesitate, sniffing cautiously. But over time, they settle in, making the space their own. Change is a natural part of life, yet we often resist it. We fear the unknown, cling to what feels familiar, and struggle with transitions. But if we take inspiration from cats, we can learn to approach change with curiosity, patience, and trust. The wisdom of feline adaptability. Cats show us that adaptation is a process, not a single moment. They take time to observe before rushing into new situations. Move at their own pace, neither forcing nor resisting change. Find comfort in small, familiar things, a blanket, a scent, a cozy corner. Remain present, adjusting to what is, rather than clinging to what was. By learning to flow with change rather than fight it, we cultivate greater resilience and peace. Practice the embracing change meditation. Find a quiet space where you can reflect on a recent or upcoming change in your life. Step 1. Acknowledge the change. Close your eyes and take 3 deep, steady breaths. Think about a change you're experiencing, big or small. Notice any resistance, fear, or discomfort that arises. Step 2. Observe like a cat. Imagine yourself as a cat entering a new space. Instead of rushing to fix or control things, simply observe. What feels different? What small comforts can you find? Step 3. Trust the process. Repeat silently. Change is natural. I can take my time. I trust myself to adapt. I can find comfort even in the unknown. Picture yourself settling in, just as a cat would. Exploring, adapting, making the new space your own. Take one last deep breath, feeling a sense of ease and acceptance. Reflection. After practicing the embracing change meditation, take a moment to reflect. How do you typically react to change? Did this meditation help shift your perspective? What small comforts can you bring into times of transition? Write down any insights or simply acknowledge your capacity to adapt. Bringing this into your day. Change is constant, but how we meet it is a choice. Today, try to pause before reacting to unexpected situations, take a breath and observe. Find a small comfort in any transition, a familiar routine, a favorite object. Watch how a cat navigates change, noticing their process of curiosity, caution, and eventual ease. By embracing change with patience and presence, we create a life of greater flow and acceptance. Perfectly done! You've completed day 19, accepting change, how cats adapt to new environments. See you tomorrow for day 20, navigating fear, responding instead of reacting.
New walls, new air, a different view. The world is shifting, what can I do? Step by step, I take my time. No need to rush, the space is mine. Sniff the air, feel the ground, let the unknown wrap around. Soft and slow, no need to fight. Change will turn into something right. Flow like a cat, let it be. Take it slow, wait and see. No need to fear, no need to run. The new becomes home, one step then one. with patience, love, and steady grace. I find my rhythm, I find my place. New walls, new air, a different view. The world is shifting and I move too. Step by step, I take my time. No need to rush. This space is